Hello YouTube, today I have this is Windows 98 first edition and I have here Internet Explorer 4.0 and now I present a bug here and the first time here, yes sure, and the first time you need on this virtual machine, okay, it's just a virtual machine. If you have opened this window, the first time you need to do is to maintain the next keys Control Alt Shift and then do this thing here. You can move every in every space you want this IE thing and then click this and put this thing here. And yes sir, as if you can see, you see this thing. And yes, sure, this is a fresh installation of Windows 98 first edition, but in the Greek language. Thanks for watching.